The world of new astronomy is bringing people further into space faster than ever before, using thrilling state-of-the-art technology. Meet the Unistellar eVscope 2, the world's newest, most powerful, and simple-to-operate digital telescope. With uncompromised optics and a stunning visual experience, tour a galaxy, nebula, star cluster, and supernova remnant in minutes. Novices and pros alike can discover the cosmos from the country or the city and relax under the stars as distant space objects are revealed in full color. The eVscope 2 eyepiece features pioneering optical technologies from the world leaders at Nikon, delivering the most stunning visual experience ever seen in a consumer telescope, resulting in better observing comfort and eye relief. The micro OLED display is designed to enhance contrast and deliver a perfect black image. Infinity focus ensures unparalleled deep space views and a truly immersive observation. Unistellar's autonomous field detection algorithm uses an internal map with tens of millions of star coordinates to accurately identify any object in the telescope's field of view. Point at objects in the night sky automatically, making it easier to find targets. Get information about what you're observing, like distance from the Earth, size, or age. The Unistellar app provides educational content and automates your observing experience. Our catalog recommends galaxies, nebulae, stars, and comets based on your location and time. Simple to use for novices and advanced features for pros. Save or browse a collection of images taken with your telescope, or live stream your device to share with friends. With a 7.7 megapixel resolution, the eVscope 2 has the highest resolution of any digital telescope, bringing an incredible amount of detail, definition, and zoomability. The field of view is wide enough to enjoy the largest deep sky objects, such as the Orion Nebula. Share your experience with up to 10 observers, or connect with a global community of 5,000 users from the Unistellar network. This state-of-the-art telescope is also a dynamic scientific tool, supported by professional astronomers at the world-renowned SETI Institute and other scientific institutions. Join new citizen science opportunities each week and detect asteroids, distant planets, supernovae, and more. Learn about light curves and data modeling. See your data put into action through charts, visuals, and 3D prints. Contribute to meaningful science. Join a completely new space adventure with the Unistellar eVscope 2. The universe awaits. Learn more about the Unistellar eVscope 2 at unistellaroptics.com/eVscope 2.
At Vaonis, we want to give everyone the opportunity to explore the universe that surrounds us. In 2018, we changed the game of astronomy by creating the first smart exploration station, Stellina. Thousands of astronomy enthusiasts have shared their excitement and their own pictures of the universe.
And here it is.
C'est pour vous présenter une technologie folle.
They have a very cool product they're just released here at CES. We go off
Today, we're going a step further to make astronomy even more accessible.
Explore the sky in Wi-Fi with Celestron's newest innovative line, Astro Fi. A perfect beginner or intermediate level telescope, Astro Fi is changing the way we experience the night sky. Our 102 Maksutov Cassegrain is compact and powerful for high contrast views of the planets. For a truly wireless observing experience, Astro Fi features full telescope alignment and motorized go-to control via Wi-Fi with no need for a hand controller. Simply connect Astro Fi to the free Sky Portal Planetarium app from Celestron, align the telescope by centering any 3 bright stars in the eyepiece, and you're observing in minutes with your iOS or Android smart device. Find, view, and track targets quickly while learning facts and myths about your favorite planets, deep space objects, the moon, and more. Just tap the object you want to view on your screen, and your telescope will point to it while keeping it centered in the eyepiece for comfortable, extended viewings. Innovative Wi-Fi technology powers the Astro Fi, but it's the optics inside the telescope too that make it a Celestron. Explore the sky in Wi-Fi and see for yourself.
Ready for a new kind of telescope experience? Unlock the power of your smartphone to help you navigate the night sky. Introducing StarSense Explorer by Celestron. It's fast, easy, and accurate. In minutes, you're ready to take a guided tour of the universe. First, dock your smartphone and launch the StarSense Explorer app. Unlike other astronomy apps, StarSense Explorer aligns precisely with your telescope and uses sky recognition technology to pinpoint its exact position in the night sky. Follow the simple instructions, and in seconds, the app generates a list of all the best objects currently visible in the night sky. Select an object from the list and follow the on-screen arrows to the desired object. As you move the telescope, StarSense Explorer recalibrates its position in real time. The bullseye turns green when your object is ready to view in the eyepiece. It's that simple. StarSense Explorer works anywhere in the world, no cell signal required. So whether you're in your backyard or a remote dark sky location, the universe is yours to explore.
Interact with the night sky in a new way with NexStar Evolution. This Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope generates its own Wi-Fi network. Just connect to the telescope with your smartphone or tablet, and you can locate objects with a simple tap of the screen using Celestron's free Sky Portal Planetarium app. Aligning the telescope is as easy as centering any 3 bright objects in the eyepiece, thanks to Sky-Align technology. NexStar Evolution is Celestron's most elegant and intuitive stargazing experience ever. An internal battery powers your telescope for up to 10 hours. 2 accessory trays, one with a red LED illuminator, keep you organized, and a new ergonomic design makes setup a snap. Improved mechanics deliver precision tracking and pointing accuracy. NexStar Evolution is available with a 6, 8, or 9¼ inch optical tube. All 3 models are FastStar compatible for astro imaging. What makes NexStar SE a favorite among serious observers and newcomers alike? It all starts with our signature orange tube, Schmidt-Cassegrain and Maksutov-Cassegrain optics. Available in 4, 5, 6, and 8-inch apertures. We've added our proprietary StarBright XLT optical coating to enhance light transmission, making your images brighter and more detailed. We know the best telescope is the one you will use most often. That's why NexStar SE breaks down into several lightweight pieces. It's the perfect choice for camping and sets up quickly in your backyard. If you're new to astronomy, you can begin enjoying the night sky right away with NexStar SE. The computerized hand control guides you through our simple Sky-Align procedure, then automatically generates a sky tour of all the best objects to view. Choose from thousands of objects in NexStar SE's database. Then, the computerized fork arm mount accurately points your telescope, centers your object perfectly in the eyepiece, and tracks it as it moves across the sky. You can even get started in astro imaging with your NexStar SE. Just attach any Celestron planetary camera or your DSLR. The 4 and 5-inch models also include a wedge for long exposure photography.